Right, what's going on, lads? It is 11:15 Wednesday morning, and there's been nothing in Asia, as you can see. We are just moving very, very ugly, very choppy. So no setups or trades taken as of yet, but I will still be keeping a rough eye on the market, so I won't be taking too much into it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the previous video. If you did, let me know what you think of it. And yeah, I'll catch back with you. Alright, lads, what is going on? So it's not long after I just last spoke to you, and we trade on NQ. Took partials. Now just letting the rest run. We can see over here we had a breakout from here, and then obviously a good retest. And now and we do have heaps of clean range. Like this is all clean range to the downside. So I'd like to see it continue to push down. But if I get tapped at break even, that's totally fine. But yeah, it's a very solid trade. And yeah, I'm on a bit of a run this week, so I'll catch back with you later. Alright, what's going on, lads? It is 5:32, so half an hour into London, and I've taken 2 L's in London, unfortunately. The first trade was a little bit silly, going against the trend, and within the first candle of the session, which I'll show you right now, it was based off the 1 hour. We can see the previous 1 hour had a bit of a rejection, and gave a good retest at first, and then I was anticipating just a scalp to the downside. And then the next one was pretty much a textbook breakout. You can see we had a key level there and a level here, break above both of them, gave a good wick down, and then it pushed up. About, I think it was 12 pips or something, 11 pips, and unfortunately it ended up being kind of a big L, so negative 280 across 3 accounts. That is 840 USD. An unfortunate day, but that's part of trading. 1300, so negative 1300 for the day. Is what it is. It's a little bit annoying, but yeah, that's trading. You win some, you lose some. But I'll inform you if I take another trade, which I'm not sure if I will, because I have taken three trades today, and my rule is 1 to 3 trades a day. So I'm a bit on the edge if I want to take another trade or just leave it and come back tomorrow. But I'll inform you in 2 secs. As you saw just before, you'll see the clips of the trades, and before that you would have seen me consider whether I'm going to stay on the charts and take another trade to try and get close to break even, or just get some money back. But I'm just going to leave it as that. I've had my 3 trades for the day. That's part of my rules. So you got to stick to your rules. It's annoying, obviously losing $1,300, but that's trading. You win some, you lose some. I still got Thursday and Friday to make some money, and a lifetime to make some money. So with that being said, that's gonna be this part of the vlog done, the Wednesday part of it. And yeah, it is tough to leave the market down 1300 and on a red day. It is still kind of tough, but it's something that has to be done. You got to stick to your rules, stay disciplined with your rules, and it will work out in the long run. So with that being said, lads, I'll catch you tomorrow. Alright, what's going on, lads? It is 4:11. What is it, Wednesday or Thursday? Thursday afternoon. I haven't vlogged at all today. Obviously, you would know that. Just not feeling the best. You might be able to tell in my voice. You can see it's 4:12. I did try and go for a run before, but it wasn't that big of a run. You can see 3.6 Ks. Yeah, I'm just not feeling the best today. Just massive head cold, but yeah, it's obviously 50 minutes pre-London. As you can see, just looking at the chart, just waiting to see if we can get any set up. But other than that, lads, I will inform you if I take a trade. Alright, what is going on, lads? So It is 9:17 Friday morning. I can't remember when the last time I spoke to you, but there wasn't any trades in London. No trades to be taken, but I had a mental loss last night. Unfortunately, it still happens, even though I am technically funded / profitable trader. I still do struggle with the mental side of things. And as I've said in my past videos, I want to be as open and honest with you lot as possible, so you guys can see, you can see the whole journey from now. I just struggle mentally sometimes, and then hopefully in the future I won't have these mental struggles. But I'll just show you quickly. As you can see, 200, you can see yesterday, which I showed you Wednesday, and then yesterday, Thursday, 202 across 3 accounts, ended up being like another $1,000 nearly. I will show you the trade. It was a fucking stupid trade. I just need to quickly try and find it. Where is it? Sorry, I'm just trying to. I'll get back to you in 2 secs. I'll find the trade and then I'll show you. Right, so I found the trade, and yeah, as I said, it was a fucking shit trade. It was just, I don't know what got to me. I think it was just the impatience. Just London has been shit lately, so I tried to force a trade to try and get a trade in London, and it obviously just did not work. But this is the trade. You can see we moved down all the way down here. We had support here, but it was way too overextended, and then we obviously had support down here. But you can also look, which I should have taken these higher time frame into consideration. You can see we've got an hour support right there, which is exactly where it bounced off from. But yes, you can see I was trying to aim for it to get down to here. It nearly got there, but that's not the point. It was a stupid trade. It moved way too much in one candle, way too overextended. If I was patient, I could have, if I was patient and wasn't so stupid, I would have been able to take this as a type 2 buy, something like this. And I didn't record the trade through OBS, so you won't see a clip of it. And that's another thing. I wasn't mentally there on the charts last night, and I should not have taken it. But you can see, if I was just patient, a little bit longer, I would have been able to take a perfect type 2 buy, but I wasn't. And that's the thing with trading. Sometimes you win, and sometimes you do take those losses, which it's unfortunate, but it's never a loss, it's a lesson. Okay, so if you are struggling with, the mental or the mental side of trading, you just got to remember, if you are taking losses, just look at them as lessons. All right, journal them. Yes, I've journaled this trade, and it's something you have to do. Just remind yourself that yes, it's a loss, but in the long run, it's a lesson. All right, what's going on, lads? It is Monday morning, just before 9 a.m. It's been a while since I've spoken to the camera, and the reason for that is I just had to get away from any sort of trading, just clear my mind, because I had a terrible week last week mentally on the charts. Just basically wasn't trading, just being stupid, not going with my rules. Just being really stupid, to be honest. As you can see here, you can see Monday, Tuesday I was good, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I was really bad. Just took trades that weren't there. You can see it's only one trade and only 2 trades. Wednesday was 8 trades, but these two, they just weren't trades whatsoever. And I tried taking them for whatever reason. So last week was a pretty bad week mentally on the chart. So I just had to just get away from everything. Just didn't think about anything, any trading or trading related over the weekend. I was just had to get away. But that being said, it is a new week this week. We will start fresh. This video is going to end here. I'm just going to do a quick outro here. I will still vlog today's trading and that, but that won't be in this video. This will be in the next video. So this vlog is going to be probably pretty shit. I actually don't know what I've filmed. I don't know how much I've filmed. With that being said, lads, I do still appreciate all the support I'm getting on the videos. I really do appreciate it. So with that being said, I will catch yous on the next one.